हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू आस्ट्रक। तो आज आम डिस्कसन करवा पंचायत राज इंडियन पॉलिटी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड इट इज थ्योरी। तो लेट न करके स्टार्ट करवा। इफ यू आर न्यू टू द चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। देखो, नेशनल पंचायत राज डे इज ऑब्जर्व इन April 24। National Panchayati Raj Day observed on April 24 in every year India. It marks the day when the 73 Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 came into effect in 1993। तो तुम्हारा नेशनल पंचायती राज डे सेलिब्रेट करा जाए April 24 रे। सिग्निफिकेंस होची इट सेलिब्रेट्स डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड गवर्नेंस एंड लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट इन रूरल इंडिया। नेक्स्ट, पंचायती राज सिस्टम इन इंडियन पॉलिटी। पंचायत राज सिस्टम इज ए 3-tier structural of rural self-governance in India, established to promote decentralization, local participation, and development at the grassroots levels. It derives its constitutional status from 73 Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. Next, the background of Panchayat Raj in India, ancient and medieval period. Village assemblies existed in ancient India, particularly in Chola Dansi. These assemblies played a crucial role in decision making, land management, dispute resolution. Colonial period, British rule weakened local self-government. Lord Ripon's resolution 1882 first attempt to introduce local self-government. तो पंचायत राज मेन मोटिव होची टू इंट्रोड्यूस लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट। तो एक द्वारा होता लॉर्ड रिपन्स रिजोल्यूशन। Various reforms, example Government of India Act 1999, 1919 and 1935 gave some power to local bodies. Post independence initiatives. देखो ये होची तुम्हारा बलवंत राय मेहता कमिट 1957 recommended a 3-tier structure. The बलवंत राय मेहता कमिट 1957 मोर recommend कला 3-tier structure for पंचायत राज. Then Ashok Mehta Commit 1977 suggested 2-tier system. 73 Amendment 1992 gave constitutional status to Panchayat Raj institution PRIs. Next, constitutional provisions for Panchayat Raj 73 Amendment Act 1992 देखो added to part IX मतलब 9 added to part 9 articles 243 to 243O in constitution, introduced 11 schedule. तो 11 schedule थिला, list 29 subjects under पंचायत राज, mandated regulation election to पंचायत राज every 5 years. तो every 5 years पंचायत राज election हुए। देखो रिजर्व सीट्स फॉर SC, ST and women 33%, 33% मतलब 1/3 for women, 1/3 for women मतलब 33%. Establish State Finance Commission and State Election Commission for financial and electrical matters. First question, which constitutional amendment gave constitutional status to the पंचायत राज systems? इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी 73 Amendment Act. Next one, under which part of Indian Constitution is the Panchayat Raj system mentioned? ये तुम्हारा हो जाओ पार्ट 9। तो पार्ट 9 रे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पंचायती राज सिस्टम मेंशन। तो ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, व्हिच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिफाइन्स द कंपोजिशन ऑफ ग्राम सभा? करेक्ट आंसर आर्टिकल 243A ऑप्शन ए रिप्रेजेंट्स composition of Gram Sabha, Article 243A. The first state to implement the Panchayat Raj system in India was A. Correct answer Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. राजस्थान हो जो प्लेस रही सेटा हूँ नागाउर, in 1959. Option C is the correct answer. Rajasthan in 1959, Nagaur and Andhra Pradesh. First implement Panchayat Raj system in India. Next, how many subjects are listed in 11th schedule of Constitution for Panchayati Raj? So answer हो जाएगा 29. 29 subjects are listed in 11th schedule of Constitution for Panchayati Raj. Option B correct answer 29. Next, who conducts election for the Panchayati Raj institution? पहला तुम्हारा इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया, स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पंचायती राज, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट. करेक्ट आंसर स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन conducts election for the Panchayati Raj institution. Next, 3-tier structure article 243B. 3-tier structure आसला तुम्हारा ग्राम पंचायत, पंचायत समिति, जिला परिषद. ग्राम पंचायत है विलेज लेवल, पंचायत समिति है इंटरमीडिएट और ब्लॉक लेवल, जिला परिषद है डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. ग्राम पंचायत are headed by sarpanch, elected by village of the people, responsible for basic service like drinking water, sanitation and rural development. Block level panchayat samiti headed by pradhan or chairperson, links village panchayats with the district authority, implement rural development schemes. Jila parishad is the district level headed by jila pramukh, supervises panchayat samitis and grama panchayats, oversees larger rural development projects. तो ये तुम्हारा होला 3-tier system given by Balwant Rai Mehta. Next, importance of Panchayat Raj: strengthens grassroots democracy, empowers marginalized communities, ensures local level planning and execution, promotes rural development and self-sufficiency. तो ये है importance of Panchayat Raj. Next question, which committee first recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in India? अशोक मेहता कमिट, बलवंत राय मेहता कमिट, GKP राव कमिट, LM सिंघवी कमिट. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी बलवंत राय मेहता कमिट. फास्ट रिकमेंडेड ए 3-tier पंचायत राज सिस्टम इन इंडिया. आंसर है बलवंत राय मेहता कमिट इन 1957. In 1957 बलवंत राय मेहता कमिट. The tenure of Panchayat Raj institution is fixed for how many years? 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year. Option C correct. 5 years. Tenure of Panchayat Raj is 5 years. Which article mandates the establishment of State Finance Commission? Article 243H, 243I, 243K, 243O. Correct answer Article 243I mentions establishment of State Finance Commission. Which committee recommended a 2-tier system instead of a 3-tier system? Correct answer हो जाएगा अशोक मेहता कमिट in 1977. अशोक मेहता कमिट introduced a 2-tier system instead of 3-tier system. Option B correct answer Ashok Mehta commit. Which of the following is not a function of Panchayat Raj institution? Rural development, defense policy, water supply and sanitation, agricultural development. The rural development a Panchayat Raj institution function. Water supply and sanitation ये भी, agricultural development ये भी पंचायत राज का function. The defense policy is not a function of Panchayat Raj institution. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी डिफेंस पॉलिसी. Which of the following is not a tier of Panchayat Raj system? ग्राम पंचायत, पंचायत समिति, जिला परिषद, नगर निगम. तो ये 3 जण होचंदी ग्राम पंचायत, पंचायत समिति, जिला परिषद. ये 3टा होची पंचायत राज टायर सिस्टम रो गोटे गोटे पार्ट. बट नगर निगम इज नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ पंचायत सिस्टम. ऑप्शन डी हो जाएगा करेक्ट आंसर नगर निगम. इट इज़ अ अर्बन पार्ट, इट इज़ ए पार्ट ऑफ अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज. सो नगर निगम इज नॉट ए टायर ऑफ पंचायत राज सिस्टम. ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर. हु इज द हेड ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत? डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर, सरपंच, प्रधान, तहसीलदार. ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर सरपंच इज द हेड ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत. Who Which of the following statements is correct about Gram Sabha? It consists of all registered voters of village. It is a temporary body. It is an elected body. It does not have any legislative powers. Which is correct? Which is correct about Gram Sabha? It consists of all registered voters of village. Option A correct answer. It is not a temporary body. It is not a elected body. It does not have any legislative correct incorrect. The correct answer हो जाएगा option A. It consists of all registered voters of village. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Incorrect. Panchayats have been given constitutional status. Panchayats are responsible for rural development. The President of India appoints the Panchayat members. A. Incorrect. Gram Sabha is an important part of Panchayat Raj system. The A, B, D are correct. But President of India appoints the Panchayat members. A. Incorrect. Who is known as the father of Panchayat Raj in India? Mahatma Gandhi, Balwant Rai Mehta, Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar. Option B correct answer. Balwant Rai Mehta or B.R. Mehta. B.R. Mehta is known as the father of Panchayat Raj in India. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with Panchayat Raj system? Article 243. Article 243. Constitution deals with the Panchayat Raj system. Article 243. For village panchayat, Article 40. For village panchayat, Article 40 deals with Panchayat Raj system. But only for Panchayat Raj system, Article 243. Which award is given to the best performing Panchayat Raj institution in India? भारत रत्न, पद्मश्री, पंचायत सशक्तिकरण पुरस्कार, राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर. पंचायत सशक्तिकरण पुरस्कार award is given for best performing Panchayat Raj institution in India. When is National Panchayat Raj Day celebrated in India? ये हो जाएगा करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी April 24. April 24. April 24 is the National Panchayat Raj Day celebrated in India. National Panchayat Raj Day commemorates which constitutional amendment? ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा करेक्ट आंसर 73rd Amendment Act. तो ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर 73 Amendment Act. National Panchayat Raj Day commemorates with constitutional amendment 73 Amendment Act. When is National Panchayat Raj Day celebrated in India? इसका आंसर आपको कमेंट में देना है. तो गिव आंसर्स इन कमेंट्स. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.